Hello, my dear friends. Today I'll show you super effective natural recipes that remove wrinkles, fade dark and age spots, and tighten the skin, naturally and safely. Yogurt is the key ingredient in today's masks. It's rich in lactic acid, calcium, and vitamins. It helps exfoliate dead cells, brighten dull skin, and improve elasticity. 1 teaspoon of yogurt, ½ teaspoon of almond flour. Almond flour nourishes and smooths the skin. Benefit: this mask deeply hydrates, evens skin tone, and makes it supple and radiant. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week, preferably in the morning. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. ½ teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil improves elasticity and fights free radicals. This mask smooths wrinkles, fades pigmentation, and gives a youthful glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1 tablespoon of spirulina powder. Spirulina rejuvenates, detoxifies, and nourishes the skin with minerals. This mask firms, revitalizes, and brightens tired skin. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 times a week, preferably in the evening. Subscribe for more beauty secrets. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar tightens pores and balances skin tone. This mask refreshes tones and helps fight dark spots. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week in the morning. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. ½ teaspoon of neem powder. Neem cleanses and helps fight acne and inflammation. This mask purifies, smooths, and brightens the skin, giving a healthy glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 times a week. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Sea salt exfoliates dead cells and stimulates circulation. This mask renews dull skin, improves texture, and promotes firmness. How to use. Apply gently in circular motions to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use once or twice a week, preferably in the evening. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.